morning. So right now I'm inside Adobe Express. We need to do some quick tutorials on using this generate with AI. Okay, there are a lot of users that are ready to embrace this, but they're not quite sure what to do with it or even how to speak to it so that it will give them what they want, right? So let's go through this real quick. We have generate an image. We've got remove objects, insert objects, and generate template. Okay, so all of these are not using the assets that are in your stuff. If you start here, you're going to have to upload media that's on your computer. So for example, if we wanted to generate something, let's see what it can do. We'll give it a photo. And without doing anything else, now notice it says generate new images in the same style as this image. Now that's just the style. This is not going to recreate what you see. So if I said dog running on water waves, giving it very simple prompt. Okay. So you get 4 options here and you get to see all of your dogs that are running on the waves, and you'll be able to pick one, all based on the image that we provided. Okay, now say we want to expand on the dog. Okay, you have to download the dog onto your computer and re-upload it and generate an image and change it to photorealistic. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. We're going to just download it. We'll add a page, same size. We're going to say generate an image. Still a square. Do not put the dog here because that's going to set your style. You will put the dog underneath composition. Okay. So we're going to put the dog underneath composition, and we're going to say photo realistic image of a dog running on waves at sunset. Make sure your content type is not set to art, that you want a photo. We'll now ask it to generate. And so let's see what it gives us. Okay, so now you have your photorealistic image. Okay, and now you have your choices to choose from of your dogs that are running on the waves. So you can understand the difference. Composition is the posing. It's the framing of the photo. The style is going to be controlling what the output is, whether it's watercolor, an oil painting style, photorealistic, anime, cartoon. So we're going to do it one more time. This time we're going to use our image under style so you can see the difference. Okay, so we're going to add another page. Okay. We're going to generate an image. This time we're going to put our dog under style. A whale in the ocean. We don't want a photo, we're going to switch it to auto. We haven't given it any structure on what direction the whale should be in, what the whale should look like, none of that. We've only given it the style of what we want the whale to look like. So now we're going to generate that. Normally I have my Jeopardy music playing in my head, so there you go.